Namaste children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. See, last class we discussed what is mean by area, what is mean by perimeter, and what are the units of area and perimeter. And in daily life where we need to apply the concept of area and perimeter, we learn all these things. Area is nothing but inside place of a closed figure is called area. Perimeter is nothing but total length of the boundary is called perimeter. What are the units of area beta? Square units. If the sides are centimeter, square centimeters. If the sides are meters, square meters. What are the units of perimeter? Centimeter, meter, kilometer. And today class, let's see some of the applications based on area of square and rectangle. From exercise 10.3 we will see some applications based on area of square and rectangle. Here from exercise 10.3, first bit you can see better. Find the area of rectangles whose sides are 3 cm and 4 cm, 2 meters and 70 centimeters. If you see the first one, centimeter, both are same units. Length and breadth are same units. But here both are different units. And keep in mind that when you are going to find the area, the length and breadth must be same units. Now convert this both in terms of centimeter or convert this both in terms of meter. Then you can find the area of that rectangle. See what here now. Let us go with A1. Solution 3 centimeter and 4 centimeters. Area of rectangle they are asking to find. So these two are sides itself. One is length, one is breadth. Okay na? So let me take here. Given length is equal. Length means longest one. So let me go with 4 centimeters. You can take 3 also. Breadth is 3 centimeters. One is length, one is breadth. But any one you can take. Generally length means long one, breadth means short. So this long one I am taking length, breadth one I am taking short. If you interchange also, nothing is wrong. Now let us find the area of this rectangle. Yes, area of rectangle. So what is the formula we have to find the area of rectangle? Yes, we have length into breadth. So what is the length beta? 4 centimeter into breadth 3 centimeters. 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12. Centimeter into centimeter, square centimeters. Area of rectangle is how much? Yes, we got area of rectangle, which is equal to 12 square centimeters we got. Now let us see one more. Length 2 meters, breadth 70 centimeters. First of all, both are different units. Let us convert both into same units. Let us convert both in terms of centimeter. So what is the relation between these two? We know that 1 meter is equal to how much meter? 100 centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now 2 meter means 2 in the place of meter we can write 100 centimeters and 70 centimeters. 2 into 100, 200 centimeters and 70 centimeters. Now we can see both are in terms of same unit, centimeters. Now we can find the area of rectangle. So length, longest one is 200 centimeters and breadth, shorter side is 70 centimeters. So we have to find the area of rectangle now. Same formula you can take better. Yes, now I am writing area of rectangle. So area of rectangle. What is the formula I said just now? Length into breadth. So write here length into breadth is equal. Where L is equal to how much? Length is 200 centimeters into breadth is 70 centimeters. 2 7s are 14, 2 0 1 0, 3 zeros. 14,000 square centimeters. So that is the way you can find the area. So two things I remember. First thing, length and breadth must be same units. If they are different units, convert them to same units. Then apply the formula. to find the area of rectangle. Let us see one more. Find the area of square whose side is 14 centimeter. So here we have a square, it seems, and you know about square, all the four sides are equal. If the length of one side is 14, then remaining all sides are how much? 14, 14, 14. So here they are asking, can see solution better. Given side is equal to, length of side is equal to how much? 14 centimeters. Ask you to find area of square. So we have a formula like area of square is equal. What is the formula we have to find the area of square? Beta, side into side. We have side into side. Where side is equal to how much? 14. 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. See here, centimeter into centimeter, square centimeters. 14 into 14, you can multiply by that, you get 196. So here area of square is equal to how much? 196 square centimeters. And one thing also you can remember, observe that the units of area is square units. Here sides are in terms of centimeter, so square centimeters. In case sides are in terms of meters, square meters. So finally, what are the units of area? Square units. Yes, children, let's see some more applications based on area of square and rectangle. From exercise 10.3, let us see fourth one here. The area of rectangle garden 50 meter long is 300 square meters. Length is 50 meters and area of the garden is 300 square meters. As I said, the units of area is always square units. Find the width of the garden. See, but a question they gave, length of the garden 50 meters and area is 300 square meters. Asking to find what is the width of the garden. So here let us draw the figure. So it is now one rectangle garden. It is the rectangle garden. Area we can denote with A generally. Inside place of this rectangle, which is 300 square meter, it seems. 50 meter long. Long means length. How much it is? 50 meter it seems. Asked to find what is the width of the garden. Width is also called as breadth. So they are asked to find what is the breadth. So what relation we know about these three? Length, breadth, height. We have a relation. Area is equal to L into B. Area is equal to L into B. With the help of that relation, we try to find the breadth. I mean width of that garden. Let's see what is the solution. Let me write here. Given area of rectangle. So here the given area of rectangle garden. So area of rectangle garden is equal to how much they gave it? 300 square meters. And also gave length is 50 meters. Okay. What is about rectangle? We know that area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. And right side you can write as it is 300 square meters. What is the length beta? 50. So length 50 meters into what is the breadth? Breadth, width, both same only. We have to find it. It is the unknown value. Breadth is equal to how much? 300 square meters. Now to find the breadth, this into 50 can transpose. So when it transpose into 50 RHS, it becomes division. Breadth is equal to 300. This square meter, let me write meter into meter. This into if I transpose by 50. Sir, why this meter square is meter into meter? Power 2 means we can write 2 times. Why 2 times? If I write 2 times, I can cancel like this. One more meter left. So simplify this both beta. 1 0 1 0 cancel and write the leftover part down. 30 meter left by 5. What is the common factor for 30 and 5? 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 6 are 30. So breadth is equal to how much meter? 6 meters. Breadth is equal to 6 meters. So therefore what we can write? Breadth. Therefore breadth of rectangle garden. Breadth of rectangle garden is equal to how much? 6 meters. 6 meters. Like that you can find the unknown values. And you can see one more here. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. See length in terms of meters, but the breadth in terms of both meter and centimeter it seems. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? So let me take this is the room. This one is the room. So length he gave 4 meters. 4 meters long. Long means length meter. Here the length is 4 meters. What is the breadth? Wide, width, breadth, all same only meter. So what is the width he gave? 3 meter 50 centimeters. Two different units. Now this both will convert into centimeter, meter. Generally we can convert either centimeter or meter, but here should convert into meters. The reason length will be there in terms of meters, and also asking to find the area in terms of square meters. So when we get square meters, when the length and breadth are in terms of meters, so they are asking find the how many square meters of carpet is required. So square meters will get when length and breadth both are in terms of meters. So this also try to express in terms of meters. You can see better here solution. So given what is the length meter here? Length is equal to 4 meters. And what is the breadth? Breadth is equal to 3 meter 50 centimeter. 3 meter 50 centimeter. So these are already in terms of meters. This I want to change into meters. See better, breadth is equal to 3 meter 50 centimeter means you know, and we have a condition like 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Then 50 centimeter means half meter. Half means 0.5 meter. 0.5 meter. So 3 meter, 0.5 meter together gives us 3.5 meters. How much meter? 3.5 meters. Now we know the length and breadth. We have to find how many square meters of carpet is needed. See inside of this they are going to cover with carpet. So to know how many square meters of carpet is required, it's enough to find the area of the room. Why we have to find the area? Sir, area means inside place. Inside of the room only they are going to cover the carpet. So because of that find the area. And also they are asking square meters. Area units only, they have square meters now. So find the area. So now required carpet. Required carpet is equal to know the required carpet, it's enough to find area of rectangle. Sorry, area of the room. Area of the room which is in rectangle shape. Room in rectangle shape. So what is the formula to find the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. Where length is how much? 4 meters into what is the breadth? 3.5 meters. See but a meter into meter, square meters. Multiply this both, you know how to multiply decimal with whole number. You learn in decimals 3.5 into 4. 4 5 is 20, 0 to carry. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 1 digit before we have point. So in the result also 1 digit before you can write the point. How much I got? 14. Yes. 14 square meters of carpet is required to cover the floor of the room. Yes. This is the way you can find the required carpet. Yes, here you can write area of the floor. You can write better, not room. The room means again it will be 3D figure. So area of the floor you can write better. Area of the floor. Area of the floor, which is in rectangle shape. Yes, children, you can see some more applications based on this area of square and rectangle. Here we have 8th question beta from exercise 10.3. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meters wide, length and breadth. So the floor in which shape beta? Rectangle shape. The floor is in rectangle shape. So let me draw one floor beta here. Yes, it is the floor, and it is the floor beta whose length is 5 meters and the said breadth is 4 meters. A square carpet of side 3 meters. So let me take one carpet here. Yes, let me take one carpet. So what is the side of carpet? 3 meters. They said it is square carpet, so all sides are equal. If it is rectangle, only opposite sides are equal. So here we have one floor whose length 5 meters, breadth 4 meters, and a square carpet whose side is 3 meters is laid on the floor. Now this square carpet, they are going to keep on this floor. So they are going to cover this floor with square carpet. So what will happen? It seems find the area of floor that is not carpeted. I think so. When they cover this, see if they want to cover this floor with square carpet. So when they keep this square carpet on the floor, I think sides some of the place left. They are asking how much place of the floor is not covered with carpet. So how can I find first? First we have to find what is the inside place of the floor. Then find what is the inside place of the carpet. What do we call that inside place? Area. Very good. So first we will find area of the floor. Yes. First let me find area of the floor. Area of the floor, which is in rectangle shape. Yes, they say length and breadth both are different for rectangle shape. So what is the formula? Length into breadth. Where the length is 5 meters into breadth is 4 meters is equal to 5 fours are 20 meter into meter square meters. Then you find the area of square carpet. Yes, let me find out area of square carpet is equal to, what is the area of square? Side into side, which is side 3 meter into 3 meters. 3 3s are 9 square meters. Actually the total area is 20 square meters. So out of 20 square meters, how much place is covered with carpet? 9 square meter. So how much place is not covered with carpet? Total area 20 minus area of the carpet 9, which gives the area of the floor which is not covered with carpet. Yes, so let me write here area of the floor not covered with carpet, which is not covered with carpet, is equal the total area which is 20 square meter. From total area you can subtract the area of the carpet minus 9 square meters, which gives 11 square meters of area is not covered with carpet. Yes, area of the floor not covered with carpet, which is not covered with carpet, is equal to how much better? 11 square meters. Now let's see one more. By splitting the following figure into rectangle, area. See, directly we can't find the area of this figure. So they are asking split the figure into rectangles, then find the area. Because we know already area of rectangle formula, which is length into breadth. Now tell me, but how can I make rectangles? One way we can join this, so that here you can see one rectangle. This both will be space only. Here length 7, here also 7. Two squares, one rectangle. If I join these two also, no issues. Now the total figure is divided three parts. First part, second part, third part. Sum of these three parts area is equal to area of the given figure. How can you find the area of the first part? Area of rectangle. Second part, can you tell me what is the length of this? See, if it is 7, its parallel length opposite is how much exactly? 7 only. Even this also how much? 7. 7, 7, 7. All the four sides are equal to each corner rectangle. Square. Square. So area of rectangle plus area of square plus area of square gives us area of the figure. So they are asking split into rectangles, but I got a rectangle, okay, then what about these two? The squares, every square is also a rectangle. Every square is a rectangle, yes. Now, can you prove a solution better? Area of given figure is equal to that numbering you can give any order. If you want to go like this, 1, 2, 3. However, we are doing addition, no issues. Area of given figure is equal to area of first figure plus area of second figure plus area of third figure. How the first figure is? Square. You can write a square if possible. Second figure is rectangle. And third figure is square. Now we can submit the formula better. Area of square, side into side, plus area of rectangle, length into breadth, plus area of square, side into side. First figure side is 7. So we can write here 7. They said all the units are in terms of centimeter. Okay, 7 into 7 will take plus length into breadth. Second figure is where length is equal to 7 plus 7 plus 7. So we can write here now length is, second figure length is equal to, we can take 7 plus 7 plus 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7, which is equal to 21. And you can see the breadth of second figure, which is equal to 7. Breadth is equal to 7. So in the place of length, we can go with 21 into breadth is 7 plus side into side. Third figure side is how much? Square it is 7 into 7. Simplify better. 7 7 is 49 plus 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 plus 7 7 is 49. So by adding this, we get the area of given figure. 149 plus 49 plus 147 plus 49. 9 plus 10 18, 18 plus 7 25, 5 to carry. 3 4 is 12 plus 2 14, 245. So area is 245. So area must be square units. Hope it is clear to all. Yes, you can see one more from exercise 10.3 12th one. You can see today. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeters? So these are the length and breadth of each tile. Each tile will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are 70 centimeter and 36 centimeters. So here they gave one rectangular region. Here we have one rectangular region whose length is 70 centimeters and the breadth is 36 centimeters. Now this rectangular region they are going to cover with tiles. So here this is the place occupied by one tile. Example, what is its length? Its length is 12 centimeters. Or else you can take like this. Yes, its length is 12 centimeters and the breadth is 5 centimeters. See here we have a rectangular region, length 70, breadth 36. This rectangular region they are going to cover with tiles. See here, this is the place occupied by one tile, two tiles, three tiles, four tiles. How many tiles are needed to cover this rectangular region with tiles? They are asking. So how can we find? First we have to find what is the total area of the rectangular region. Then you find what is the area, what is the place covered by one tile. So that by dividing this we'll get how many tiles, how many space, how many tiles we can cover inside of this rectangular region. Hope it is clear. Let's see the solution better here. First we will try to find what is the total inside place of the rectangular region. So area of a rectangular region we will find. Area of a rectangular region. So here let me write, if you want, it is the tile. And this one is the rectangular region. What do you call it? Rectangular region. Now area of rectangular region is equal to, what is the formula? Length into breadth is equal to, the length of rectangular region is 70 centimeter into 36 centimeter. So the units of area is here square centimeters. Now multiply this better. 7 6 are 42, 2 4, 7 3 are 21, 21 plus 4 25, 1 0. So 2520 square meters. This is the area of the rectangular region. Area of rectangular region. Now let us find the area of one tile. So let me write here now. Area of a rectangular region. Yes. Area of rectangular region is equal to how much? 2520. This total area is 2520 square meters. Now let us find the area of one tile. So area of one tile is equal to tile with shape, rectangle shape. How you know? It has length and breadth, and that too both length and breadth are different. So compulsory rectangle shape. What is the formula to find the area? Length into breadth, where length is equal to 12 centimeters into breadth is equal to how much? 5 centimeters. So 12 5s are 60 square centimeters. Area of each tile, I mean one tile. So area of one tile, they are in a rectangle shape. After that, total area we can divide by area of one tile to get the number of tiles, or you can go with cross multiplication method also. Here we are comparing area, how many tiles, right? So we are comparing area and number of tiles. So area we are measuring here in terms of square centimeters. So when the area is 60 square centimeters, it is one tile. When the area is 60 square centimeters, it means it is equal to one tile. If the area is 2520, if the area is 2520 square centimeters, how many tiles will take? We don't know unknown values. Will take x. We can do cross multiplication. We'll get the x value. Here x nothing but number of tiles needed to fit exactly the rectangular region. Now you can go cross multiplication, but 60 into x is equal to 2520 into 1. So now here 60 into x is equal to 2520. X is equal to 2520 by 60. 0 0 cancel. Simplify this. 6 4s are 24. 1 left. 6 2s are 12. So x equal to how much? 42. So to cover this area, we need how many times? X times. Nothing but 42 times. Yes. Here we can write down number of tiles is equal to how much? 42. So that is the way you can find the number of tiles. Yes. Today class we learned some of the applications based on area of square and rectangle. So you know the formula, apply the formula, you get the results. And when you are going to find the area of rectangle, length and breadth must be same units. They must be both in terms of centimeter or both in terms of meters. If they are different units, we have to convert them to same units. Then you find the area of rectangle. And also area, the units of area is square units. Hope this concept is clear to you all. So based on this, from exercise 10.3, from exercise 10.3, leftover sums you can complete in class work. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.